All of them are gonna go off, right?
This is going to be one loud ass bang. Can someone start the front doors?
I don't have anything. I'm
No,
just
there's
kind
one
of...
already on it. Run past and start it.
Oh, okay. You got it. That's a lot of fucking C4. Holy.
Right.
Oh my god.
Sounds like artillery falling from the fucking sky.
Six, you might want to move after this before it goes. We should go from the inside, and a lot of it.
Anybody that is near fucking bandit camp is coming towards us, I guarantee it.
Stay over here. Got another tier 2 here. Try to record this.
Dude, holy f... I'm about to record it, yeah.
I'll let you keep the record. I'm gonna keep some tier 2s but start a tunnel. Jumping down, I'm gonna go in.
Just so you know, the other
What?
side you guys are on when the C4s didn't go off.
Go on that roof, check in for one to have it detonated.
There's one on top that hasn't detonated.
Dude, why did you not start the T4?
Because I couldn't get the pump for it.
I got one. Oh, I can't get the second prompt. Fuck.
I'll come over there and try with you.
No, I got an idea.
You got it? Are you just gonna take it off or something?
No. I'm sure I can't start it. Oh no, I got it. No. Both got it. Right, we need more heavies bring in, and then probably cash.